Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-luxury travel on wheels. If you thought a motorhome was just a glorified camper van, think again. In 2026, the motorhome industry has taken luxury to a whole new level, with brands like Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, and Mercedes entering the game alongside other high-end innovators. These aren't just vehicles. They're rolling palaces designed for the wealthiest travelers who demand elegance, comfort, and technology wherever they go. So buckle up, because we're counting down the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026, and trust me, number 1 will absolutely blow your mind. At number 5, we have the Mercedes-Benz Tourmaster Supreme 2026 edition. Mercedes has long been a name associated with precision engineering and sleek design, but the 2026 Tourmaster Supreme takes that reputation and stretches it into the motorhome world. On the outside, it's everything you'd expect from Mercedes. Aerodynamic lines, LED adaptive lighting, and a chrome-detailed grille that makes this motorhome look more like a supercar than a bus. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin wrapped in fine Napa leather, walnut wood panels, and customizable ambient lighting that makes the whole interior glow like a luxury suite. The Tourmaster Supreme also boasts a fully automated driving system powered by AI, meaning you can sit back in your recliner and sip champagne while the motorhome drives itself safely down the highway. Mercedes has even added a voice command concierge system, which lets you adjust lighting, climate, or entertainment just by speaking. It's the perfect blend of elegance and futuristic convenience. Coming in at number 4 is the Aston Martin Voyager XL. Aston Martin has made its name in sleek sports cars, but in 2026, the company stunned the world by unveiling a motorhome that looks like it belongs in a James Bond movie. The Voyager XL is built with lightweight carbon fiber reinforced panels, giving it a futuristic, almost spaceship-like aesthetic. Inside, it's pure Aston Martin luxury. Think handcrafted seats, a private cocktail bar, and even a concealed cigar lounge with a state-of-the-art air purification system. But what makes the Voyager XL truly special is its performance. Unlike traditional motorhomes, this beast is powered by Aston Martin's hybrid V12 engine, meaning you can hit highway speeds with ease and silence. The ride is unbelievably smooth, and the adaptive suspension system ensures that whether you're on city roads or winding mountain highways, you'll feel like you're floating on air. Now, at number 3, prepare to be amazed by the Bugatti La Gonza 2026. Bugatti has always been about pushing limits, and this motorhome is no exception. The La Gonza combines Bugatti's legendary speed and engineering with sheer opulence. Imagine a motorhome that can accelerate like a hypercar. The La Gonza is powered by Bugatti's electric quad-motor drivetrain, delivering blistering performance while still keeping things whisper quiet. Inside, it's like stepping into a futuristic penthouse. The interior design features Italian marble countertops, a retractable 85-inch OLED entertainment wall, and even a private bedroom with a floating king-sized bed that uses magnetic suspension to absorb every vibration from the road. There's also a private spa module in the rear, with a jacuzzi and a rainfall shower. This isn't just travel. It's rolling indulgence on a level that very few people will ever experience. The Bugatti La Gonza is designed for billionaires who don't just want to get from point A to point B, they want to live luxuriously every inch of the way. At number 2, we have the Rolls-Royce Majestic Cruiser 2026. When you hear Rolls-Royce, you immediately think of timeless elegance, quiet power, and unmatched craftsmanship. The Majestic Cruiser is exactly that, only bigger, bolder, and more luxurious than you could ever imagine. On the outside, this motorhome is pure Rolls-Royce, with the iconic grille, the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem on the hood, and paint finishes that gleam like liquid metal. But it's what's inside that will leave you speechless. The Majestic Cruiser is essentially a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. It features handcrafted cashmere and silk upholstery, bespoke crystal glassware, and a dining table made of rare hardwoods. The ceiling itself is designed to replicate Rolls-Royce's famous Starlight headliner, complete with twinkling fiber optic stars that you can program to match the constellations of any night sky in the world. But Rolls-Royce takes things even further with an onboard butler service. Yes, you heard that right. The Majestic cruiser comes with a digital butler AI, integrated into every part of the vehicle, to anticipate your needs and provide personalized service. Whether you want your favorite wine chilled, your music playlist set, or your itinerary planned, the AI handles it with the grace and discretion of a real human butler. Traveling in the Majestic cruiser isn't just luxury, it's royalty on wheels. Finally, at number 1, we arrive at the Palazzo di Lusso Hyperliner 2026, the undisputed king of luxury motorhomes. Unlike the previous 4, which were built by established luxury car brands, the Hyperliner comes from an Italian design house dedicated solely to creating the most luxurious motorhome in history. And they've succeeded. The Hyperliner is more like a private yacht on wheels than a motorhome. Stretching over 50 feet long, it offers multiple living zones, a master suite with panoramic glass walls, a private cinema with leather recliners, a full gourmet kitchen designed by Michelin-starred chefs, and even a rooftop terrace with a retractable infinity pool. Yes, you heard that correctly, an infinity pool on top of a motorhome. The Hyperliner is fully electric, powered by next-generation graphene batteries that allow for over 1,200 miles of range on a single charge. It also comes with autonomous driving, solar roof panels, and a complete smart home integration, meaning everything from the curtains to the pool temperature can be controlled from your phone or by voice. This motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about redefining how humans can live and travel. The Hyperliner is, without question, the ultimate symbol of wealth, freedom, and futuristic living in 2026. So there you have it. The top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026. From the elegant Mercedes Tourmaster Supreme to the jaw-dropping Palazzo di Lusso Hyperliner, each of these rolling palaces proves that the future of travel is more glamorous than ever before. Which of these incredible machines would you choose if money were no object? Would you go with Bugatti's futuristic spa on wheels, Rolls-Royce's Royal Cruiser, or the Hyperliner's rooftop infinity pool? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your dream pick. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the most luxurious vehicles in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.